Hey guys, long time no talk. I have been going through it over here, so that's why I haven't filmed anything. But today I wanted to kind of go through my recent Coffee Monsters Co. order and ink up my brand new Benu, which is my very first Benu fountain pen that I purchased exclusively because of the new Robert Oster and Coffee Monsters Co. collab. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I have my TN because I think the pen that I got is going to exclusively be used with that. But yeah, so this was from the Coffee Monsters Co.'s birthday release, and I was so in love with the Coffee Monsters ink. I'm not a very colorful person when it comes to my inks. I literally use fountain pens because of the ability to refill them. I think that that's really cool. And my favorite ink that I've purchased thus far is the Robert Oster Thunderstorm. I love this ink so much. And yeah, so that's my first favorite ink that I've ever found. And so I was really excited to see that Helen was doing a collab with them. And I thought a brown would be neutral enough to add to my collection. So of course I had to buy a pen to match with it, which we'll get into after I go through my order. It's very small. I've been trying to be more mindful of the things that I'm purchasing. So here was a freebie. And then these are the two die cuts I got with my order. I did grab all of the washi tapes. I believe this is all of them. I'm not typically a lover of the clouds. I don't even know what they're called, like the shimmer, I don't know, sunset shimmer. No, that was the color of that one. I'm typically not a fan of the galaxy washi from her, but I fell in love with these colorways. So really, really gorgeous. And then of course I had to get the cluttered desk. And then I did get a set of those sticky notes because I'm obsessed with sticky notes. And then, let's see, I got one of the Misfit floral vellums. I don't know why it's Misfit, but it's really, really cute. And then this is just another freebie journaling card. I did grab the larger folder. I already have the smaller folder, the A6 size from the subscription, so I didn't get the smaller version of this, but I did grab the larger. I love her little folders. And then I got two kits. So the first kit I got was the Finding Peace. This is so cute and definitely my vibe. So I got it in the Hobonichi Cousin to use in my Commit 30. And then I did get the new sticker kit. I just got the full boxes of the 1.5 or the standard vertical, and then I got the Hobonichi Cousin kit as well. I love all of these functional pieces. This is so cute. I don't know, it's just really adorable. I love how she redesigned the kits this year. And I did get this because a lot of the times in my Commit 30 I'll put one of the 1.5 inch width boxes in the corner, and then I could use these washi, and I can use this for so many weeks. But yeah, that is what I got from the birthday sale. Very tiny order, like I said, but just a couple things that I wanted. The main thing that I was excited about was this ink, and I've been waiting to ink it up, so I'm really excited to share the pen I got and to go with this ink. With this pen, I also got the Robert Oster Cafe Crema sample because I did get the pen from Goulet Pens, and I wanted to compare these two inks, and I'm really happy that she created this one, because this one's just like not my cup of tea. I did swatch this ink out already, but I have not inked up the pen or anything like that. I wanted to do that on camera with you guys. So you can probably already guess which Benu I got, but it matches so well. I'm the type of person, I like to match my inks to my pen, and that's pretty much like solidified for me. Like I'll keep that one inked up with that ink pretty much forever. But I got the Benu Euphoria in iced caramel latte, and this pen is so adorable, so cute. You've probably seen it before. It's not new by any means, but I remember seeing it when they first launched it, and I was like, I would not spend that amount of money on a pen. And I don't know what changed my mind, but I did go ahead and grab it. I don't know, it's gonna look so good, guys. So I got it in fine nib. I'm a fine nib girly. When I first ordered, like my very first fountain pen I've ordered, I bought TWSBIs at the request of Helen. And I got a medium and a fine. I love fine way more. Like medium was way too inky. So here is the Robert Oster Coffee Monster ink. And look at how good that's gonna look together. Like so good. So good. I love how like dark it gets. Definitely like coffee. And then the Cafe Crema is this one. So definitely like lighter vibe. Just, yeah. I don't know. This one I feel like suits this pen way more. So let's ink it up. I'm really excited. I've been dying to do this since I've gotten it. And then if I like this pen, I have the not Robert Oster. Oh, what was that? What came out of there? I have the Benu Euphoria in matcha latte on my wish list, because I'm obsessed with all things green right now. It's my favorite color, and that pen is just to die for. So I feel like I would have bought that pen before I would have bought this one had it not been for this ink. So this ink definitely was like, you know, I kind of have to get it. I was going to do the TWSBI. Oh, you know what? I have to get a tissue to like wipe it off after. I'll be right back. Okay, I got some Kleenex. I was going to get the TWSBI Eco and Cafe Bronze to go with this ink, but it was more so this color, and I didn't feel like it would match with this ink very well. But then when I seen this one and it had like the deep brown at the base, yeah, I definitely wanted this pen. So I like that this is a piston filler, because that's why I love TWSBIs. They're so easy to ink up. So I was happy to see, even though that's not very, I must not have had it deep enough. Do it one more time. I hate when I can't get like a perfect fill. There's always that little bit of space there, but we'll have to live with it. Okay. Yep, and there's ink. Okay, I think I got it. I need to put the cap on, and I need to go wash my hands. I hope this ink comes off. And then we will test it out. It'll be my first time writing with a Benu. So I will be right back. Okay, so it'll come off eventually. But let's open her up. Never ended up journaling there, so we'll just do our tester. I love that you can post this pen, because I would definitely like to post them. And let's see, so Benu Euphoria, off nib, inked with Robert Oster, Coffee Monster. So it's definitely coming out a little bit lighter than I thought, but I feel like that's to be expected. But this pen writes amazing. Yeah, I like it. It's definitely fine nib, which I love. Like, it's not too, I feel like fine is my happy medium. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small, like it's the perfect line. This was written with my Pilot capless in fine nib, so I'd say it's a little bit thicker, but yeah, I really like that. And this was also written with Robert Oster's Thunderstorm, so it's just like a really good blue black in my opinion. But yeah, I love that. I cannot wait to start writing with it all the time. I want it to be my everyday writer. Well, every day that I write. I haven't been journaling much, as you can see. That was titled August 6th, and it is currently the 24th. But yeah, like I said, guys, my life's just been like crazy. We caught COVID after coming back from Ohio for SummerSlam, and it like got passed around our whole house. This was our second time getting COVID ever. And the first time, luckily the girls didn't catch it, but this time they caught it, poor little things. But actually they had like way better symptoms than us. Like they only had symptoms for a day, and then they were like back at it. So they lucked out, but yeah, we caught that, and then it was like back to school season. So the girls were back to school this week, and I start classes on Monday. So unfortunately, I think that means I'm going to hopefully be able to upload at least a video a week, but I don't know, we'll see. There might be some busy, hectic weeks there. But I'm hoping on the weekends I'll be able to have the time to film something for YouTube. But I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.